I will work tomorrow. I will work tomorrow. I am working tomorrow. I am working tomorrow. I am going to work tomorrow. I am going to work tomorrow. I will study tonight. I will study tonight. I am studying tonight. I am studying tonight. I am going to study tonight. I am going to study tonight. I will travel next week. I will travel next week. I am traveling next week. I am traveling next week. I am going to travel next week. I am going to travel next week. I will sew the clothes tonight. I will sew the clothes tonight. I am sewing the clothes tonight. I am sewing the clothes tonight. I am going to sew the clothes tonight. I am going to sew the clothes tonight. I will call you later. I will call you later. I am calling you later. I am calling you later. I am going to call you later. I am going to call you later. I will buy a house next year. I will buy a house next year. I am buying a house next year. I am buying a house next year. I am going to buy a house next year. I am going to buy a house next year. I will sing tonight. I will sing tonight. I am singing tonight. I am singing tonight. I am going to sing tonight. I am going to sing tonight. I will meet him tomorrow. I will meet him tomorrow. I am meeting him tomorrow. I am meeting him tomorrow. I am going to meet him tomorrow. I am going to meet him tomorrow. I will try again soon. I will try again soon. I am trying again soon. I am trying again soon. I am going to try again soon. I am going to try again soon. I will run tomorrow. I will run tomorrow. I am running tomorrow. I am running tomorrow. I am going to run tomorrow. I am going to run tomorrow. I am going to run tomorrow. I will dance tonight. I will dance tonight. I am dancing tonight. I am dancing tonight. I am going to dance tonight. I am going to dance tonight. I will fix it tomorrow. I will fix it tomorrow. I am fixing it tomorrow. I am fixing it tomorrow. I am going to fix it tomorrow. I am going to fix it tomorrow. I will pay the bill after dinner. I will pay the bill after dinner. I'm paying the bill after dinner. I'm paying the bill after dinner. I am going to pay the bill after dinner. I am going to pay the bill after dinner. I will wash my car on Sunday. I will wash my car on Sunday. I am washing my car on Sunday. I am washing my car on Sunday. I am going to wash my car on Sunday. I am going to wash my car on Sunday. I will wake up early tomorrow. I will wake up early tomorrow. I am waking up early tomorrow. I am waking up early tomorrow. I am going to wake up early tomorrow. I am going to wake up early tomorrow. I will clean tomorrow. I will clean tomorrow. I am cleaning tomorrow. I am cleaning tomorrow. I am going to clean tomorrow. I am going to clean tomorrow. I will cook tonight. I will cook tonight. I am cooking tonight. I am cooking tonight. I am going to cook tonight. I am going to cook tonight. I will learn English this year. I will learn English this year. I am learning English this year. I am learning English this year. I am going to learn English this year. I am going to learn English this year. I will move next week. I will move next week. I am moving next week. I am moving next week. I am going to move next week. I am going to move next week. I will read a book tonight. I will read a book tonight. I am reading a book tonight. I am reading a book tonight. I am going to read a book tonight. I am going to read a book tonight. I will write the report tomorrow. I will write the report tomorrow. I am writing the report tomorrow. I am writing the report tomorrow. I am going to write the report tomorrow. I am going to write the report tomorrow. I will close the shop tonight. I will close the shop tonight. I am closing the shop tonight. I am closing the shop tonight. I am going to close the shop tonight. I am going to close the shop tonight. I will help you tomorrow. I will help you tomorrow. I am helping you tomorrow. I am helping you tomorrow. I am going to help you tomorrow. I am going to help you tomorrow. I will play chess tomorrow. I will play chess tomorrow. I am playing chess tomorrow. I am playing chess tomorrow. I am going to play chess tomorrow. I am going to play chess tomorrow. I will send the email tonight. I will send the email tonight. I am sending the email tonight. I am sending the email tonight. I am going to send the email tonight. I am going to send the email tonight. I will shop this weekend. I will shop this weekend. I am shopping this weekend. I am shopping this weekend. I am going to shop this weekend. I am going to shop this weekend. I will teach the class tomorrow. I will teach the class tomorrow. I am teaching the class tomorrow. I am teaching the class tomorrow. I am going to teach the class tomorrow. I am going to teach the class tomorrow. I will leave early tomorrow. I will leave early tomorrow. I am leaving early tomorrow. I am leaving early tomorrow. I am going to leave early tomorrow. I am going to leave early tomorrow. I will fly to Italy on Friday. I will fly to Italy on Friday. I am flying to Italy on Friday. I am flying to Italy on Friday. I am going to fly to Italy on Friday. I am going to fly to Italy on Friday.